Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Bootstrap tutorial by PHN Technology Private Limited. In this series of tutorials, we'll learn about the most popular framework of HTML and CSS named Bootstrap. So, in the last session, we saw all the introduction of Bootstrap, and in this session, we are going to cover how to include Bootstrap in your website page. So, as you can see, I've got a little demo file of HTML. And now we are going to add some Bootstrap classes which we are going to learn in the future classes, but now for a reference I am going to use it and I am going to show how to include the CDN and how can we see the Bootstrap material which we included on our website page. So as you can see, in body I am going to write a code. I have made a row, and in that row I have got 3 columns. So let's see what we get output of this. So as you can see, we get Bootstrap written on our screen, but there are no columns or we cannot see any kind of row in this. So what we have to do is, to include the Bootstrap, we have to go to getbootstrap.com, and this page will appear after you go to getbootstrap.com. Now on this you have to go on get started. Okay, so after getting on get started, you can see CSS, copy paste the style sheet link into your head before all other style sheet to load our CSS. So this is CDN. Now what is CDN? CDN is a content delivery network which we can use, and it is on the server side. It is used basically to minimize the loading time of the website. So we'll copy this and we'll move back to our HTML page and we'll paste it. So what we got? We got a link, a CDN. Now let's save it and let's see it back in our browser how it looks. So as you can see, the text automatically adjusted themselves as we defined. So if we try to color the row, just give them style, background color, just for a reference. So now let's check it. So the yellow color represents the row which we defined, and the bootstrap which we can see here are the columns in that particular row. So let's give the columns some different color so that we can understand it well. Sorry. We'll give it a red. We'll save it and we'll just reload the page. What you can see? So this red portion in the particular yellow section is representing the column. Okay, so now let's see what happens if we give a different color to another column. Let's save it and let's see it once again. So what happened here? We actually defined a particular row, and in that row we divided that row into 3 different columns. So at first we didn't got that output before using that particular CDN or style sheet which is already present on the server and we are using. So this is one type to link the Bootstrap CDN, and the other type is to download the package provided by getbootstrap.com. So now we'll just hide the link which we just used of Bootstrap. Okay, now what we will do is we'll just save it again and we'll just see it in the browser what happens. So now you can see that all is messed up. Okay, now let's go to getbootstrap.com. On the top right corner you can see a download button. Okay, so click on that. After clicking on that, you will redirect to the download page of getbootstrap.com, and you have to click on the download under the compiled CSS and JS section. Okay, so after clicking on download, you will get a zip file, a zip folder. Okay, so after downloading it, it is basically a zip folder consisting all the CSS and JS files. We'll learn about JS in different tutorials provided by PHN Technology. So now we are going to first of all extract the zip file. Okay, after entering it, we get two of the main folders. First one is CSS and another one is JS. So what we will do is we will copy this and we will make a new folder named as demo, and we'll move these three things inside a folder. So we got a demo HTML page, a JS folder and our CSS folder. So what we will have to do is we will have to again open this folder. It's on desktop, select folder. Now what you can see we've got demo.html, JS folder and CSS folder. So in this we'll take our demo.css. What we'll do is we'll just link the style sheet. As you can see, this is the link tag, and we have to give the path. Okay, so we have to link only the, I will show you, bootstrap.min.css. okay, we only have to link that. So let's do it. We'll save it and we'll see what happens in a browser. We'll get back. I am so sorry. So we downloaded the package and we linked the CSS file which was downloaded from getbootstrap.com, and as you can see we got again the result which we got while using the CDN. So what we learned in this session is we can include the Bootstrap in our website page with two types. The first one was to include the CDN, and the second one was to download the package from getbootstrap.com and to use it inside our folder. Okay, so we will learn more things, we will learn more Bootstrap basics, we will learn various things in Bootstrap, what are typography, how to use containers, different types of containers, grids and all of them in the future trainings. So till then, keep coding and happy learning. Thank you.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.